So let me show you how to update the firmware of your Shokz Openfit Pros. So you can either open up the lid of the case or take them out so that they connect to your phone, and then go to the Shokz app on your phone. Now, more often than not, you're going to be prompted with a pop-up like this in case there's an available firmware update. In case you're not, then on the app, you scroll down until you see the option to upgrade firmware. So you tap on that, and then it's going to give you that page. Tap on update now, and then it says, while updating, ensure that both earbuds are placed inside the charging case. So you make sure you do that, and keep the charging case cover open. So make sure you don't close this during the update process. That might corrupt the file or the files. So once you do that, just tap on confirm, and then keep your earbuds with the lid open next to your phone, and let your phone download and send the update files to the earbuds via Bluetooth. All right. So it's just a patience game. Just wait. Once it's done, it will let you know, and you can now tap on done. Thanks for watching. Good luck.